The Rosen Medical Center philosophy is about prevention and wellness. Rosen Medical Center is owned and operated by Rosen Hotels and Resorts. And Rosen Hotels and Resorts has been one of the top businesses here in Orlando. And our focus for prevention, smoking cessation, wellness, weight management, everything is focused on the associate, employee, and their family. And Rosen Hotels has been smoke-free for about 2 years. And starting November of '08, all of our associates will also be smoke-free. And Healing Laser Clinics has helped us and continues to help us achieve this goal. Many of our associates have given us comments saying that it's been very successful, they're very appreciative of it, and that it was simple, and Healing Laser and their counselors made them feel comfortable. You know, I've had a lot of great comments about it, and it's been successful for many of our associates and family. We sought out Healing Laser Clinic because it provided an alternative. We provide coverage for 100% for smoking cessation, including medications, patches, but we wanted to give our family, our associates, and their dependents alternatives for them to be successful in every manner that we could. And Healing Laser's a non-invasive, and so it was something that people could do without being afraid. You know, working with Healing Laser was an easy process. They made everything simple, provided alternative sites for our employees to seek their medical attention. I've actually had several employees and families and associates have come to me and said it has been a successful process, easy process. They've recommended it to their families, and we would highly recommend it also. Healing Laser Clinics is giving us that wellness and that ability to take care of our family to help them stop smoking.